Hello K-friends, today I would like to introduce a nostalgic Korean dish that my mom made for me once in a while. It's fish cake kimchi stew. Let's get started. Pour 4 cups of water into a pot. Add about 15 dried anchovies. Add 2 medium-sized kelp. If you have a radish, add some and boil for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, remove the kelp and boil for another 10 minutes. I poured hot water on the square fish cake in advance to remove the oil. Cut in half. Cut into bite-sized pieces. There are various types of fish cake, so you can use the fish cake you like. Chop 1 small onion into bite-sized pieces. Slice the green onions into appropriate sizes. Cut the kimchi into bite-sized pieces. It is important to use ripe kimchi. Garlic is used when making the kimchi, so I won't add any additional garlic. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan. Add the sliced kimchi. When start frying ripe kimchi, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then the sour taste is neutralized. Also add the onion. Fry well over medium heat. Also, if you want to preserve the color and flavor taste of kimchi, you can add about half tablespoon of red pepper powder. This is optional. When kimchi and onions are fried to some extent, add a fish cake and stir fry them together. When the ingredients are somewhat stir-fried, pour about 3 cups of boiled anchovy stock. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, when the kimchi is cooked to some extent, add the glass noodles that were soaked in water in advance. This is optional. If you don't have glass noodles, you can skip it. Also add the chopped green onions. If you want a spicier taste, you can add 1 chili pepper. Lastly, add a little bit of ground pepper. Eating it with hot rice is absolutely delicious. When the glass noodles are cooked, you can eat it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.